All right, good morning, everybody. Tuesday, July 18th. Nothing yet. I don't have any trades on. Watching MICS. Let's see here. BT. Just running through some of my scans here this morning. Okay, SUNW. Okay, I do like SUNW down here. So what I'm going to do here is I need it to go up first. So I'm going to be looking at 215. 215. In fact, I'm going to put an alert up here, 215. Okay, I'm going to look to enter at 215 on SUNW. All right, also watching LINK. Not really liking LINK. Let's see here. No, I'm not going to trade LINK. ABOS. Nothing there. We'll keep it on the radar. YANG. Little thin. YANG, little thin. SIFY. Probably going to take that off. I'm not going to watch that. SDA. I do like SDA. I definitely want to keep this on the radar right now. SDA. CLBR. Very, very thin. Yeah, I'll keep it on the radar. I'm not going to trade anything yet. All right. Gotta keep an eye on everything. Haven't put anything on. Let's go back to MICS. And you really don't have any heavy selling until really you get up to around 250. 250 on MICS. I'm gonna watch this. Possible entry for me is gonna be 230. I'm also gonna create an alert there as well. So we're going to keep an eye on this. MICS. EPT, not really liking it. SUNW once again. Needed to come up to around that 215 mark before I get interested in it. Though we got a lot of buying down here. I mean, I do like this. I do like this, the looks of the chart.
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
Morning, Glenn. How are you, sir? SUNW. All right, got to see some sort of bounce in here now. So you see how we came down in the VWAP. Little bounce, but it's going flat. So I'm just going to kind of hang tight here and see what it does. And once again, really don't want to be a buyer here until we hit around 215. All right, let's look at YANG. YANG's been fairly strong this morning. I do have a little opportunity here on YANG. You could get maybe a 20 cent jump here. Tell you what, I'm gonna put a really small position on YANG. All right, I just bought some YANG here at 10.15. All right, 10.15 YANG. We're just about at this first target. I do have more of those. 16. Of course, that's not enough, so let's see what else we have here. 15. 22 would be a third target. Seven. All right, small order on YANG at 15. All right, let's look at some of our indices. Let's real quick here. SUNW. No opportunities there yet. Still watching MICS. All right, this is no longer. All right, I'm going to lift this. I don't see anything on MICS, so nothing yet on MICS. Going to lift this. Well, we'll see if we can get some patterns set up here, but I don't see anything yet. Excuse me. Not yet. Have to check on my favorite JDST. Nothing there at all. All right, SDA. Okay, so I do, yeah, I like CLBR. I think CLBR is going to start heating up. I'm going to take, volume is really, really light. Man, but there's just no selling until you get up to around 11 bucks. So I'm willing to put on a really small position on CLBR. I'm going to buy a little bit here at 1074. 1074. Really light position on 200 shares. All right, so let's take a look, see if we have anything on the indices. Also, so let's, first of all, we're going to look at gold. Okay, so I did come in long overnight, as I mentioned in my recap. Came in long on the gold, did hit my targets on flat on gold, but I also came in short on the natural gas, and I did take a loss on natural gas. I did not take the reversal, only because it was in the middle of the night, so nothing on natural gas. Otherwise, it would have already hit its target. Natural gas. So I don't have anything on natural gas. Now, I do have a short on the E-mini S&P, all right? I have a short on the E-mini S&P. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take that short E-mini S&P. First target is going to be 45.41. It's going to be my profit target, 45.41. Target 45.41. Possible reversal. 45.59.75. All right. All right, so got about 8 minutes or so here before the opening bell. That's when we're going to get the action. So we'll keep an eye on everything here. DRUG, as you can see here on the scanner, is making new highs. So let's take a look at DRUG. Yeah, trade silver. I don't see anything on silver right now. Let's look at silver. I don't think I saw anything on silver. Silver, yeah, I don't see anything on silver. Silver's going up. I don't have any opportunities on silver. I mean, it does look like it's fairly strong this morning, so no, I don't have any opportunities on silver. All right, so I'm short the E-mini S&P, and I have a little bit of YANG on. And I have a little bit of CLBR on. Which is really thin. Not much volume, but I'm not putting a big position on that. On either one of these. Okay, MICS now. I do have a buy on MICS. I'm going to take a MICS position. Okay, I am in MICS. I just bought MICS at 231. Okay, first target 43. Oh, my dog is going crazy. Be right back. Gotta see what's going on with my dog. Make sure I get this order in. Alright, be right back. Alright, sorry about that. My dogs, I got two dogs. One is not mine, it's my son's dog, and he wants his treat this morning. Alright, so dog's happy, got its treat. Alright, let's see. Alright, I've got a really good tip for you, those that like to watch VWAP. Now this purple line here is VWAP. And I've got some interesting stats for you on VWAP. I'll tell you about that here in just a second, but we're getting ready to go into the opening. And I just want to watch and see what happens here. And we're looking at coin for you, Glenn, in just a minute. All right, so we're off to the races. Let's see if we can get a little pop on MICS. Pattern still looking good on MICS. Got a hold. 6. All right, so let's talk about VWAP real quick here. So, interesting probability on VWAP. Okay, so basically, if price is coming down into VWAP, so this is VWAP, right? Price is coming down into VWAP. You have a higher probability of it bouncing and going up than if it's below VWAP and it hits VWAP. That is less of a buy. All right, so in other words, if it's coming up to VWAP and you buy it, the probabilities of success are a lot less than if the price is coming down in the VWAP and then bouncing, okay, and going back up. And they did some studies on 5-minute charts, and they found that it was like over 70% that you're going to get a bounce, okay, off of this VWAP once if you're coming down into VWAP. So that's just that's an interesting statistic. So I like to see that in correlation with my setups, my patterns. So right now I have nothing. Still on MICS. Let's take a look at our E-mini S&P. We are short the E-mini S&P. All right, E-mini S&P start to come down. Let me paint this as a yellow. That should be yellow. All right, so that's where we are. So we're short. We're short on the ES. Have the Dow up 11. Small Dow's up just a little bit. Mini Russell's up a little bit. We have the ES down for the day right now, and we have the mini Nasdaq down for the day. Ooh, I do have a had a short on the mini Nasdaq. I'll go ahead and give you that. I'll give you that target here. Let's see. Let's look at mini Nasdaq real quick. All right, mini Nasdaq target 157.57 and a half. Hitting it a little bit late, guys. Sorry, but it's hard to keep up with so many different things. Going back to our stocks. Yeah, there's nothing on JDST. All right. I'm going to check SUNW. Nothing yet. Watching to see if we get triggered on that. Still long YANG. YANG's looking good. It's already hit 2 targets. Is that right? Yeah, 2 targets. Maybe get up to 3, but you know what? I'm getting out. I had a really small position on that. Also, a really small position on CLBR. right, see, CLBR has some pretty good potential now. I am seeing much higher targets. Seeing 97. I'll get up to 97. I'd be happy with 97. Still MICS. Profit target hit. Okay, just hit target on that mini NASDAQ. So we're going to get out of that. All right, we're out of the short mini NASDAQ. Let's look at that. So we did come down and hit our target on the mini NASDAQ. So we're out of mini NASDAQ. Alright, so not seeing anything. Let's take a look. Mini Russell. Alright, it's past 8:30, guys. I got to wrap this up here. We're going to continue on in our live Discord channel. So anyway, that's going to wrap it up. Any questions, please visit my website and our YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies. Please, if you like these early morning trading sessions, please subscribe and also hit that like button. That helps out the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And when my daily or end of the day recaps go out, which go over my trades and show you my results, you'll be the first to be notified. That's it. Everybody have a good trading day. Let's move over and focus in our Discord channel.